A tortoise on a pole. Why the Tagwirei project will fail. President Emerson Mnangagwa and his cabal believe they can successfully force this man, Odakwashe Namo Tagwirei, on Zimbabweans as their next president. It is a project so brazen, so hollow, and so disconnected from the political realities of this country that it borders on delusion. Tazabida mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi ari kuonekwa macritics panguva inoi ezvigananda tikuona chipomusaro ari kuuya panguva ino achicriticize the move and the motion yekuti kuda kwacho Tagwirei is going to be the next president of Zimbabwe. Not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Nendapera achiti Tagwirei is being imposed on ZANU-PF, not emerging from it. His rise is not organic, not ideological, and certainly not democratic. It is the product of a political movement defined by mnangagwaZim, avarice, and criminal syndicate around him. Men who believe that their filthy lucre can purchase the soul of a nation. To accept Tagwirei as a legitimate successor is to accept that ZANU-PF has completely abdicated its liberation legacy. It is to concede that the party of Chitepo Tongogara and Mujuru has been captured not by ideas, not by the people, but by combatant elements whose only qualifications is their proximity to the lovers of state patronage. Even if Mnangagwa were to achieve his so-called Vision 2030, it is not a foregone conclusion that Tagwirei would be a shoe-in. Far from it, within the rank and file of ZANU-PF, there remains deep resistance to the idea of a rank outsider, a man whose wealth is not the fruit of innovation, but the spoils of a captured state. Tagwirei is no entrepreneurial genius. He is a shadow operator, thriving in the opaque corridors of a patrimonial system that rewards loyalty over merit. Remove the ventilator of state contracts, and his empire collapses. Tagwirei is widely seen as Mnangagwa's frontman. A tortoise on the pole. The question is not how he got there, but who put him there and why. In short, Tagwirei is Mnangagwa's avatar, a proxy through whom the current cabal hopes to extend his grip on power and wealth long after Mnangagwa exits the stage. But this is not succession, it is subjugation. Nobody knows what Tagwirei believes. He has no public record, no political base, no policy vision. His image is being constructed from scratch of manufactured persona for a manufactured candidacy. His only constituents is the one his principal can purchase or coerce into submission. To make him president would require a grotesque manipulation of the constitution, a further hollowing out of state institutions, a regression to a Rhodesian style order without elections, without rights, without sovereignty. And for what? So that Mnangagwa and his inner circle can secure their oligarch ambitions into the next generation. No mashoko ari kuda panguva ina tikuona chipomusarurwa avo ari kuuya akachaja achiexposa zvigananda vana kuda kwacho Tagwirei nanaZVAITWA achivati they do not fit pamapositions avari kuda kuakwaya nekuatena. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.